It's time for the annual half-year look back at where we've been so far on PhotowalksTV. 13 great adventures so far. We met some awesome new friends and, of course, got some memorable photos on the smartphone. Roll the tape.
有名なフォトウォーカー、大阪のこの西成八福神に来てくれました。これ見てね。よろしく。
I say today we take a little trip down the road to Palm Desert. If you love animals, if you love big wide open spaces, I think you're going to love Palm Desert. Little Italy, one of your favorite photo spots. I have to be honest, I love it here for food.
Yeah.
Photography, it didn't jump out at me as I got to bring my camera here as one of the first places I go to in San Diego.
Well, I mean, there's a lot of street photography opportunities here. There's a lot of people doing interesting things. Great farmers market. I think it's on Saturday every week. And just the interactions with people. If you like to photograph people doing interesting things, it's a great place to do it.
And then there was our little excursion to Tijuana, Mexico, without a passport. Getting in was really easy. Getting out, well, rather tougher. A 1-hour boat ride from San Francisco is all it took to bring us to her most underrated island, Angel. It was way less crowded and more photogenic than Alcatraz. A quick word from Mylio with a news flash. Mylio Photos is now free. The app helps you collect all your photos from multiple devices into one place, and now new AI search tools make it way easier for you to find photos from your collection. Mylio's new free app is available at the Google and Apple app stores and at mylio.com.
Armour Ranch Road, my muse, in Santa Barbara County. It's one of the most spectacular scenic byways in all of California. It's a beautiful east-west road. The sun is situated perfectly on sunsets, sunrises. Sometimes you get the moon coming up over the road. It's just such an opportunity for a photographer.
Clearwater is one of the beautifulest beaches in the world. It really is in Florida.
Sand's really soft.
Well, that sand is everything they say, and quite pretty too.
Greetings from Las Vegas, and I know what you want to do. You want to get a great shot of the skyline without having to pay sky-high prices to go on one of those big attractions. Let me let you in on a dirty little secret. Bring your smartphone up to one of the parking garages. They have them at all the big hotels, and you will get a pretty great shot. There are some good parking garages, some great parking garages, and some ones not so good, worth skipping. I've been to all of them. Let's explore them together.
In Osaka, Japan, my friend Matt Kaufman from Osaka.com told me how to get people to pose for me.
Okay, so if you want to take a photo of someone in Japan and you get permission, you could say pose, and then say cheese in Japanese is hi cheese, and usually they'll flash a peace sign, but it's a heads up like, okay, I'm about to press the shutter.
Well, the Hollywood Sign Trust, which manages the sign, affords this tour to a few select photographers to help publicize the centennial, and I was one of the lucky ones. Hooray for Hollywood, right?
Oh my gosh, look at that! Huge breach!
Thank you so much for taking us to so many of your favorite views of that big Morro Rock. Favorite?
Probably right here.
Right here.
You want to get a great shot of the State House dome. You're too high up, and I mean it, you're too high up. You got to get all the way down to the ground. If you've seen other episodes of PhotowalksTV, you know I love this shot. Beautiful dome. Check it out. Come on, Wendy.
The difference between standing up versus laying down on your back, you can get a lot more width.
You're watching PhotowalksTV from OHIO, Columbus, Ohio.
Thanks everyone, as always, for watching PhotowalksTV and liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, all of it. Next up, we're going to cover the Great West in the coming months. Look for episodes from Monument Valley, Boulder, and the Badlands National Park, just to name a few. Gonna be fun. I'll see you all on the next Photowalk.